Stanley Douglas, a murder accused who has been languishing in custody for 43 years, is to be released in the custody of his relatives. Mr. Douglas, who was deemed unfit to plea, was never convicted. High Court Judge Justice Leighton Pusey made the order this afternoon in the Home Circuit Court. This follows applications by the Legal Aid Council to have the matter substituted from the Governor General's pleasure to the court's pleasure and have him released rather. TVJ News was told that Mr. Douglas, who is close to 80 years, will be monitored by the Department of Correctional Services. In the meantime, Executive Director of the Legal Aid Council, Attorney Diane Watson, is encouraging members of the public to come forward if their relatives are mentally challenged and have been languishing in custody.
The Legal Aid Council is willing and ready to take the matters before the court to have their matters reviewed so that they can be released. But we need the family members' support because we need to find suitable accommodation for their loved ones.